One of the things that I've been doing for a while now is using colored pencils to mark my quilting lines, particularly in places like these flowers where I want to quilt over it and be able to see the line very easily, and I don't care if the line disappears or not. What I'm using to do that with are these wonderful Derwent Ink Intense pencils. They really make a beautiful line to quilt on, and they can become permanent. I'll show you that in a little bit. Let me show you these flowers up close. These are my pattern Summer Afternoon done in pink, and I've used a darker magenta colored pencil to mark my quilting line. This is the pencil that I use to mark that line. They call it fuchsia, but I would call it magenta. Here's what those pencils look like out of their case. They are a bit expensive, but I think well worth it. They have beautiful range of color, and this is just the 24 set. You can also buy them in bigger sets. Here's the tiny version of my pattern 3 Pumpkins, and I'm in the process of quilting it. And I marked the quilting lines with royal red. One of the downsides of using a pencil that is not going to be erased is that you have to make sure that you quilt right where you put the line. Or what I have done in this instance is after I've quilted the line, I went back over it with my pencil and darkened the color, which really added shading to the design, which is really nice. I like that. Here's the green that I used for the flowers, or leaves I should say. Very fun process to use these. I'm going to show you in the next series how you can make these lines permanent if you're going to use them that way.